Welcome back, guys. So in this video, I'll just be deeply speaking about the prices, just prices, and then why we charge, guys. People used to just come just for fun, and this place wasn't like this. This place started as a bedroom. There used to be a bed somewhere here. The TV was there. This wall was like completely empty in like a month or 2 months back. And like in a month, yeah, this wall was completely empty. Uh, in fact, if you think I'm lying, you can go check out these previous episodes and then you'll see how the setup was. Yeah. So just go check out like the old dollar date videos, the old episodes, and then you can like see how the setup was and how many people used to come. So it's an improvement if you know how the old setup was to how it is looking now. It's not yet complete. We're still working on it, but yeah, that's not what this video is about. It's just about the price list and going forward. You see, because I believe three things like let's have abangekho serious, as mabathi into amahala, you're not never uthathe serious. You're not gonna value it as something that you pay for. You see. So, and then also we also running a business, not like a charity or organization or something. You see. So yeah, let's get to the prices. So 5 minutes for Xbox is 5 rand. 15 minutes is 10 rand. 30 minutes 20 rand. Hour is 35 rand. So you see, in an hour, you can pay for an hour with 35 rand, and you can just chill there, play Xbox, and then you see. So bonus, you can pay 250, and we'll give you like 5 hours of Xbox. You see, and then we'll give you 2 hours free, and then for 100 rand, we can give you 2 hours and 45 minutes. And then for 50 rand, it's 1 hour, 30 minutes, 75 rand is 2 hours. So yeah, here's the prices, guys. So I'm not sure. I think these prices also is just now as we're starting. As I think as we get new games and consoles, they might go up or down. I'm not sure as well. So this is the prices, and then for watching soccer, it's gonna be like the World Cup next year. The 2026 World Cup is coming. So we're gonna be watching soccer together, if you need a space to watch, and then on rugby. So here's the prices, but the full match is like 30 rand to come watch it. Then maybe if there's like two games playing in that day, can pay 50 rand to watch both of them. You see. And then that's why I say these are just insights that I'm giving for now. And then as time goes on, the prices will probably go up and we'll update you as well. And then, yeah. Okay, then let's go to the main price list. Which one is more? Let's show this one. Because it's more, I think it's more in the light. So this is the services we'll be offering. So the first one, trading introduction and basics, it's gonna be like 2 hours. So that 2 hours, we're gonna be teaching you like the basics of trading, what is trading, how to get started, and stuff like that. It's gonna be 2 hours, like that course. So even any questions you have regarding any basics or introductions of trading, we can cover it in the 2 hours. We have like a schedule planned for all of these services we provide, you see. And then broker account set up, we help you open an account, like with the regulated broker, because there's a lot of brokers that are scamming people. Then people think trading is a scam, whereas they just didn't get their withdrawal from a certain broker or something, you see. Then trading platform setup is like MetaTrader 5. Like, we'll open MetaTrader 5 account for you. We'll teach you, we'll show you how it works and what it is. And then let's see the other one. So trading strategy consultation one-on-one is 3 hours. So that one is like 400. So that one we just sit down. Let's say you have a strategy, you wanna fix it up. I don't know, you wanna tweak it, maybe you wanna change your strategy, or you want maybe a new strategy, or maybe let's say you don't even have a strategy at all, you want us to give you maybe a certain strategy. So even that is fine, we can do that. We have pop firm application and funding advice. So probably if you've heard of pop firms or things like that, we can help you like sign up for a pop firm account, give you tips, rules, maybe even a strategy, but we don't guarantee that you might pass it or something like that, because we don't control the market, but we'll help you apply for it and like those phases. Even recommend maybe a one that we trust. But if you want, like, if you have a specific one that you have in mind, it's fine. We'll go with that one and we'll help you towards it. And then we have technical analysis, which is like 6 hours. So let's say from 10 o'clock until maybe 4 o'clock, we give you like analysis. We go into detail. Like we go I don't think I have the ones I want. But like you'll go into the previous videos. We did it. That you see that worksheet, guys. Yeah, so that's what we do. This one is the basic ones. But yeah, and these are like old ones. So I wanted to show you. But I don't have them here, guys. But you know, when you come, you'll see what I'm speaking about. Or if you look at our old videos, you'll understand that worksheet with arrows pointing down, up, of which yeah. So that one we spend like 6 hours, and we try to. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I think so I'll finish the video because let me attend something quickly, and then I'll explain. But then the technical course is basically that worksheet. So we explain in detail what needs to be like what needs to be done for you to like do that worksheet on your own. So we believe that in 6 hours we can teach you. It has more than 20 indicators. So we need to like explain all of these indicators. You need to write down notes. So that's why it kind of takes like so much time, you see. And then you can't also be paying for like membership and expect such services, because when you're paying just maybe for membership, you just get access to the space, you see. And then maybe when someone is coming here, maybe for that specific cause, you can maybe grasp that knowledge, you see. But when you pay for membership, you do get like certain mentorship hours, so you could probably use those hours for such. And then so yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Let me just attend something quick and then we'll do something else.